In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format a date into text within a flow. In this use case, we have a button that calls a flow called New Service Opportunity. We have multiple record types on the opportunity object, but our users want to create service opportunities quickly the majority of the time. So currently, when they create a new service opportunity, we have the account name dash the word service opportunity. Our users requested that we add the close date into the opportunity naming formatting, but when we did that, it does not look right. So here's an example of the wrong way to do it. Say that we enter in our details, click next, and now our flow has created this new opportunity with the service record type as expected, but look at the naming. Let's see what went wrong. Over here in our flow, you can see that in our update opportunity, we have name being updated with this formula. So let's go over here and look at opportunity name V2. Here's where you can see that we've pulled in the account name plus a space dash space the words service opportunity. And then we've pulled in the new opportunity close date. So right now we don't have anything in here that says, hey, we want to transform this date value into a nice looking text value. So how we do that is we add some text parameters into this formula so that we can then transform that opportunity close date into the month as a text value, grab the day from it and turn it into a text value, and then grab the year from it and turn it into a text value. And then where applicable, we add our spacing and our dashes to give it a nice consistent look. And so let's update this flow and we'll put in the new naming formula and we'll activate it. And then we'll go back to our opportunities tab, create a new service opportunity again. So again, this is calling our flow that we were just working on. We'll fill in the fields, hit next, and then take a look at our new opportunity. Now inside of our opportunity, we can see that the close date very nicely looks like a properly formatted date field. Go ahead and copy the formula below and replace the orange text with the applicable flow resource. You can also copy this from the description outside of the video.